7 sources of vitamin B12 to boost energy and reduce fatigue. 7 wellsprings of vitamin B12 to support energy and diminish weakness. Ensure you're getting enough of this fundamental supplement with these wellsprings of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a fundamental nutrient that your body can't make all alone, and on the grounds that it assumes an essential part in assisting the phones with safeguarding the nerves. Knowing the best wellsprings of vitamin B12 that you can remember for your eating routine is imperative for your well-being and prosperity. Expert enrolled dietitian Nicola Ludlam-Rain opens in new tab, clears up that vitamin B12 helps our body for discharge energy from food, keeps the sensory system sound and assists with making red platelets, which transport oxygen around the body. As per the National Institute of Health opens in new tab, side effects of lack of vitamin B12 can incorporate a light yellow hint to your skin, a sore and red tongue, crabbiness, wretchedness, upset vision, mouth ulcers and a tingling sensation. Here, we dive profound into the wellsprings of vitamin B12, the amount B12 they give and different advantages we might harvest from each source. Meat additionally packs in different supplements which are required for good well-being. In addition to the fact that beef is a decent wellspring of protein, required for bone, muscle and general cell well-being, yet it likewise contains the minerals iron, zinc and selenium as well as other B nutrients. Iron is significant in making red platelets, which haul oxygen around the body, while zinc assists our body with making new cells and is significant for wound mending. Accessible in chip or powder structure, nourishing yeast is frequently braced with vitamin B12, making it an extraordinary wellspring of B12 for everybody, except particularly for those following a veggie lover diet or other to a great extent plant-based diet who need non-creature-based sources. Invigorated healthful yeast contains other B nutrients along with the minerals iron and zinc. 3. Not simply milk gives vitamin B12, other dairy food varieties really do excessively like cheddar and yogurt. Helen Bond opens in new tab, enrolled dietitian and representative for the British Dietetic Association opens in new tab, says that dairy food varieties, for example, milk, yogurt and cheddar likewise contain different supplements. Bond adds that iodine is one more supplement tracked down in dairy food sources, accommodating in supporting a sound digestion, as well as adding to the strength of our skin and sensory system. The modest egg isn't simply a decent wellspring of protein, it's one of the critical wellsprings of vitamin B12 as well. So several eggs for breakfast would assist with giving your everyday suggested measure of vitamin B12. Eggs are likewise valuable wellsprings of different nutrients and minerals including vitamin D, for sound bones, teeth and muscles, selenium, and choline, a mineral which adds to ordinary fat digestion and liver capability. Bond says that other fish additionally contain vitamin B12 like kippers, sardines, mackerel, sea bass, haddock and plaice. Salmon is a kind of sleek fish and one of the large advantages of slick fish is that it likewise contains long-chain omega-3 unsaturated fats, which are truly helpful with regards to mind and heart well-being, adds Bond, who says that fish is likewise a decent wellspring of protein and sound fats. Different food varieties are braced with vitamin B12, like oats, spreads and the best milk choices. Research distributed in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition opens in new tab, has shown that one day-to-day cup of strengthened grain, sustained with 3 B nutrients, including B12, essentially expanded the grouping of B nutrients in the collection of members throughout 14 weeks. Strengthened food sources frequently give different supplements excessively, for example, iron, vitamin D and L-ascorbic acid, so other medical advantages can be harvested. They probably won't be as everybody would prefer, yet organ meats, like liver and kidneys, are one of the most outstanding wellsprings of vitamin B12. organ meats contain different supplements as well, including iron, which found makes sense of is great for diminishing sleepiness and exhaustion. However, an expression of caution, it's suggested that pregnant ladies keep away from liver food varieties. For example, live pate is an excessive vitamin A can be impeding to a baby.